I am asking God, who or where is the true religion? Religion. Where is your true religion, my God? Or they are using a religion for me to be one of them and to tell human in the world that Catholic is the religion of yours. They manipulated to put me in the Philippines and to be one of their religion for human to trust them. But they cursed and ruined and stood me in the Philippines and put me into their religion. Muslim, Catholic, monk, Asian religion is not good. They use Asia to curse and drive my normal death, that no one will be pointed fingers to them. That cause my normal execution or my slowly but surely death. Chaba is a champion. Chaba did not learn from their knowledge. Chaba lived his life with the environment of my God. Peaceful and full of food. That is life for me. Not stood, not defined, not cursed, not pointed fingers to me that I curse human. No, I did not curse human. I did not curse any. I can kill any if they put me away from their people. Scientists have people to feed, people to teach, people to rule. Those people or human, their people curse me. To compare their life to me. To put me in a character that I become the bad guy. But drive into that kind of path to clean their own dignity, character, to told their life is a perfect life given by scientists. People of those scientists curse me. Slowly but surely put into my normal way of life daw na normal killing na ginagawa at ine-execute ng people of the scientists. I am the herd thought exists in earth. I am sent by God to shame scientists' intelligence. They cannot explain my existence and choose to kill me slowly but surely. They have plenty of gold, oil, a process of life, a rule that can give their people's life. And they give me to them to drive my normal way of death and giving me a normal life, to curse me, to stood me, and to human can point fingers on Einstein and Oppenheimer And all of those scientists, learn from them. Learn from them. Chaba is the champion. Chaba is a human. Chaba's life is the best. Their people becomes evil nowadays. You can be human into their people, into their races. No one tells me before. Only American tell me who I am. Because they can fight nuclear war against those European scientists that put me into Asia to defeat their characters, their people that can't be defeated because of their fair bloods, fair skins, and fair living, planting their own food. That's the strategy of Einstein and Oppenheimer to defeat Asia. And China broke my right and left hand to checkmate me, for me to not go abroad to my father's job there in Saudi. He is the driver and the mechanic there. Asia will be defeated, not giving a life to me. So Asia, as ruled by Oppenheimer and Einstein, European scientists, plan to stood me, to broke my right leg and left hand for their people here in Asia, like China, will be the champion who will give a life to me. But given a life to me, like my initial Brian Macarubo, BM, they give a job to me in SM supermarket to Gigrao City. My job is handling broom and map as my initial Brian Macarubo. Broom and map. I've got skilled in electronics NC2, automotive NC1, electrical NC2, and Domrac NC2. Because of my crafting skills in doing bonsai, I earned 12,000 to 15,000 and go to TESDA. Buy my own gasoline, buy my own food daily in 1 year. Maybe in 8 months. 8 months to 1 year. My own money going to TESDA. Technical education, skills and development. My own struggles, my own money. My mother and father won't give me money because my father is deceased already. And my mother is no job. And my sister Loida, put into a policewoman, can't give us the money. Because a curse is a curse. Do I have a twin daughter? Only Brea Janina Mangilin Macrobo is in this house with me. Do I have a twin daughter?